Alright everyone, listen up. Today we are tackling a piece of history. The sequence right here, it's a classic inspired by the Stanford IQ test. Okay, now don't let the name scare you. In the world of the IQ testing, this is not just a number game, it's a pattern recognition battle. And if you can see the ghost in the machine, you will win. So come to the question. What is the question mark over here? Okay, and this is a series, basically number series. So the numbers are 2, 5, 11, 23, 47, and this number we have to find out. And there are 4 options. Option A says 71, option B is 95, option C is 94, and option number D is 89. Okay, so we have to find the number. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah. Now before we solve it, look at the shape of the numbers. 2, 5, 11, 23, 47, and so on. So notice how the numbers are roughly doubling each time. They are not just growing linearly like 2, 4, 6, 8. They are exploding. So this is a recursive relationship. Okay. And in the higher mathematics, we would say the next term an plus 1 is a function of the current term an. And if you ever see a series that escapes from you quickly, stop looking for the simple addition. Look for the multiplications fingerprints. Okay, so let's play the spot and the pattern. How do we get 2 from 2 to 5? Add 3. Okay, we are adding 3. Now let's try that for the next one. 5 plus 3 is 8, but we have 11, so our pattern just died. So pattern 1 is out. Now let's try the double plus 1 strategy. It's a classic move in the number theory, often called the 2x plus 1 rule. Okay, so first 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, this is 5. Perfect. Now 5 into 2, that is 10, and 10 plus 1, that is 11. Oh, we are doing wrong. Yeah, we got 11, right? Yes, this is 11. So we are doing it right. And then take 11 into 2. Then this is 22. And 22 plus 1, this is 23. Yes, we are going right. And then 23 into 2, that is 46. 46 plus 1, this is 47. So yes, this pattern is right. So to find the question mark, we just need to keep the momentum going. So what is 47 into 2? 47 into 2 is 94, and what's our magic extra ingredient? Plus 1. So this will be 95. Okay, so option number B, 95 is our correct answer. Now some of you might be thinking, ma'am, I did it differently, and because I'm a leader, I will show why you are also right. So look at the differences between the numbers. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 11 minus 5, that is 6. 23 minus 11, that is 12. 47 minus 23, that is 24. Now look at these differences. 3, 6, 12, 24, they are doubling. So this is the beauty of math. Different paths but same destination. And the next difference must be 24 into 2, that is 48. So add 48 to our last number. 47 plus 48, that is also 95. Okay, so yes, 2 methods, 1 answer. So if you got this right, congratulations, you have passed a piece of the Stanford logic. And if you choose 89, you probably forgot the +1 and were just vibing with the prime numbers. Nice try, but no cigar. Okay. Now in the competitive examination, don't just look for the answer, look for the logic that makes the answer inevitable. Okay. Now we have solved this classic question from the Stanford IQ test, and this was a very nice question. Okay, and you will get this kind of questions again and again in this type of competitive examinations. So we will meet at the next session with a new question of Stanford IQ test. So till then, keep learning and keep growing with Dr. Shaurav's classes. Bye bye guys, see you in the next session. Bye bye.